Toyota's latest generation audio multimedia platform has arrived, and it includes a huge list of great entertainment, convenience, and connectivity features. This new system makes it easier than ever to get things done, when and where you need to, whether that's connecting to your smartphone, listening to tunes, or getting directions home. Let's take a few minutes to put the spotlight on some of this system's best features. For additional information on any of these topics, please be sure to view the related videos within this series. Not much in today's world happens without the help of a smartphone, and Toyota knows this well. That's why the entire audio multimedia system experience is designed around a seamless connection with the mobile devices of not just primary drivers, but passengers and guests as well. To this end, Bluetooth pairing is now simpler than ever, and it's even built right into the registration process to help ensure this step doesn't get missed. But Bluetooth is only part of the story when it comes to connected devices. Like before, Toyota's audio multimedia offers standard compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to Apple Music, Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from the iPhone. But now, it can offer this functionality completely wirelessly. Just have a paired iPhone in the vehicle and Apple CarPlay will be available. The same applies to Android Auto, with wireless connectivity making it simple to stay connected to Android devices. This emphasis on mobile device integration can also be seen with the Toyota app, a key part of the available audio multimedia and connected services experience. This handy app is the best way to get your Toyota account set up, registered, and connected to your new vehicle. And it's also how you'll manage many of audio multimedia's great new available features, like user profiles. So, what are user profiles? As the name implies, they're saved settings specific to individual drivers, primary owner or otherwise. Have 3 drivers in your family? Great! You can have a profile for everyone, each paired to a unique mobile device and loaded up with all the settings that each driver prefers. You can even pair a profile to a physical key fob, so that whenever it's used, the vehicle will know who's using it and can upload their profile. Toyota's line of great available connected services also gets an upgrade with this new audio multimedia platform. This includes the introduction of all new connectivity features, like the Drive Connect service that provides access to the incredibly easy-to-use cloud navigation and destination assist services. Drive Connect also includes the all-new Intelligent Assistant, a cloud-based virtual assistant that uses AI machine learning for voice control that's smarter than ever. Even the available Wi-Fi Connect service has been enhanced to not just provide in-vehicle Wi-Fi hotspot functionality through AT&T's 4G network, but also to offer on-board music streaming through services like Apple Music and Amazon Music. So that's a quick look at the latest audio multimedia platform, but we've barely scratched the surface on all this system has to offer. To learn more, be sure to watch the other videos in this series, as well as visit toyota.com/audio multimedia.